If you run a situation when DeepSeek is experiencing high traffic and you cannot use it, I suggest you to run it locally. You can do it really simple within 5 minutes. What you need to do, go to LM Studio and download the version that fits the best for your machine. In my case, I'm going to use for Mac M series. The installation is going to take you a few seconds, literally. And the next thing, you're going to get to this screen. You need to go on the left side and download the model. Choose Discovery. And here, in the Discovery, write DeepSeek. And you're going to see multiple options. For me, I'm going to use DeepSeek Coder because I will also use it for coding. And here, when you're going to click on DeepSeek, you will be able to see which model you have available, and you just click here, download. I already have started downloading. Download usually takes approximately between 5 and 15 minutes. Maybe it can take more if you have slower connection. Also, you can use R1 model. And when you click on the available models, you can see that a system already shows which is the best fit for your machine. As I'm running this on my MacBook Pro, it suggests me use this model. And when you have chosen which models you want to download, you're going to see here on left side a downloads window, and you can see the speed and how much time it's left to do the full download. We're going to need a little bit of wait. Okay, the model has been downloaded, and let's start using. If you want to use it, you need to go here on the chat, click select a model, and load in which one you have downloaded. Here you can choose how many tokens you want to load. Model supports up to 160k tokens, and let's increase the amount. And by the way, the system will inform you if your system isn't available to handle more than you have chosen. I will reduce to 8,000 somewhere around. And click load model. You need to wait till this window load up fully. While it's loading, I will quickly explain what you can choose in advanced configuration. You can add your system prompt, choose the temperature, and also add some top P sampling and mini P sampling. If you don't know what it is, just leave it as it is. Also, you can structurize the output in JSON format if you need so. For this video purpose, I'm going to close this because I don't need it. And let's try to use the same prompt that I was using in the deepseek.com. Let's just grab and copy and paste it here. System starts to think. By the way, I'm using right now the coder, so that won't be the best fit for this question. Why I choose DeepSeek Coder? Because I will also try to code something with it. As you see on my Mac, the answer coming pretty quickly, 58 tokens per second. And yes, these are really great outputs that I was looking forward. Now let's use VS Code and try to code something. In VS Code, I'm using this app called Cline. You can download it in the extensions. And here I will switch to LM Studio. I will enter my base URL and I'm going to choose the model. Right now, it's offering me to have DeepSeek Coder 2 because I have it downloaded. So how you can enable API call locally, you go to developer mode and you just toggle here on. And here is your API address or localhost reachable address. By the way, this is just locally available. You won't be able to use, for example, in N8N instances that are hosted somewhere in the cloud because you are outside the network. I mean, the N8N is outside the network. And yes, you just grab here, copy the reachable IP address, paste it here, and it will already provide you with the available models. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to self-host apps and run them locally and create your own AI agent and start to monetize, I highly suggest you to check out my Monetize AI Automation School community down below in the link, the first link. So we already have 121 members there, and hope you see you there on the other side, and hope this video was helpful to run your own DeepSeek model on your machine.